Y'all, let me put you on to how I was able to achieve such amazing before and afters. So I ordered this new Aristorm cavitation machine, and baby, she did not disappoint. I've been able to take my results to the next level. Let's get into it. So the RA cavitation machine is going to come with the cavitation, the radio frequency and cavitation probe, the RF suction and skin tightening probe, and then the EMS and LE probe, that which is for your face. So here we are. This piece is for the cavitation. This one is for the cavitation and the skin tightening together, which is honestly my favorite, chef kiss. And this one is for the EMS face sculpt. So that's defining the jaw lines and just areas in your face that you want to tighten up. And that last one is for the skin tightening and the suctioning. So you can, vacuum that extra fluid that you break down off of your face using the vacuum suction. So this is the machine itself. I love how it came packaged, super easy to take out. And here I'm just showing you, how to set it up and get everything together. It's super simple. It's kind of like a puzzle. You just have to line up, the right prongs. Like if it has 5 prongs, you line it up with the 5-prong one, plug it in, yada, yada. Okay, so once you get all of those plugged in and set up, it's time to give it a go. So what I found amazing is they have different modes. You could do the household mode or the specialized mode. With the household mode, where I'm showing you here, it gives you step-by-step of how to do the treatment on yourself. So if you're a person who is just looking to tone up yourself at home, you're not looking to start a business out of this, this is amazing for you because it's going to show you how long you should do that probe for and where you should do it. Like it's giving you an example of the face right here and how long you should do the RF suctioning versus the EMS and what order you should do it in, which is awesome. So there's really nothing to it but to just do it. So I'm going to show you guys how to do a treatment on yourself. You want to start off by getting a measurement. I was 29 inches on my waist. And so when I first start, make sure you get you some ultrasound gel. And I just followed what the machine was telling me to do for this demonstration. So circular motions, and then you're going to be going back and forth. It has you starting off with the RF cavitation and the skin tightening together, and then halfway through this I switch over to the just straight cavitation. I personally like to do 15 minutes for each one, leading into a whole 30-minute treatment. But for this one, I think it has you doing the 20 minutes of the cavitation and the RF, and then 5 minutes of just the cavitation, which is also really good. So it's just your personal preference. But after I do that, you want to make sure that you drink at least 3 liters of water per day. This is essential. You cannot get results without the water. Drink the water. I also want to show it's super easy to clean. And you're going to get better results by just working out, throwing on that waist trainer, and eating halfway right. So this was 3 days later, 72 hours later. And boom, we got 1.5 inches off from the first treatment, honey. I got 8 more treatments to go. And this has just been my overall progress.